People ask the same question again and again. Is it still worth learning SQL in the age of AI? With tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini, it feels like the machine can write queries for you. So why bother learning? The reality is that AI will not remove the need for SQL. It will only raise the bar for what good analysts can do with it. Here's the truth. SQL is not going away. Every database, every warehouse, every pipeline in modern companies still runs on SQL. The reason is simple. SQL is the universal language of data. It is the bridge between raw information and business decisions. What AI does is make bad SQL look convincing. It can generate queries instantly. But without human understanding, those queries often contain errors, wrong joins, missing filters, or assumptions that do not fit the business context. If you cannot read and reason through the logic, you cannot trust what AI gives you. That is where your skill comes in. Analysts who understand SQL will use AI as an accelerator. Instead of writing every query from scratch, you can guide AI with better prompts. You can spot mistakes instantly. You can refactor messy outputs into clean, production-ready code. You can orchestrate the process end-to-end instead of just copying and pasting. The real value is not typing faster. The value is understanding how data should be structured, how results should be validated, and how business context changes the query. That is the skill companies pay for. That is why analysts who know SQL will be more valuable than ever. Think about it this way. Two people use the same AI tool. One has no SQL knowledge and just pastes prompts. The other knows SQL deeply and can guide, correct, and optimize what comes back. Which one do you think delivers results that the business can trust? Which one do you think moves faster and adds more value? It is always the second person. So the point is clear. Learning SQL in the AI era is not wasted effort. It is the multiplier that lets you use AI effectively. You will be able to combine speed and accuracy. You will work at a higher level because you can both design and validate the solution. In this course, you will not just learn commands. You will learn to think in SQL. That way you can collaborate with AI, not be replaced by it. You will be the one who adds business context, who spots the errors, and who makes the queries production ready. That is why SQL still matters. That is why it is worth learning now more than ever.